Good morning guys and welcome back sa ating vlog. Ngayon guys, aalis tayo. We will go to Lowe's. Ngayon aalis muna si Mami dahil pupunta tayo sa Lowe's. I have a lot of things to do ngayon. And we have to go to Target maybe. Lowe's, Target, and sa church mamayang hapon. Well, before that guys, aalis muna tayo dahil may bibilhin ako na yung dirt. Ano ba yung soil para sa aking plants. And pupunta tayo sa Target for something. And after that guys, sa hapon, alas 4, pupunta tayo sa church dahil it's not just going for party guys. We are going to clean up the church. May Workbees ngayon and hindi lang Workbees guys, parang party na rin dahil maraming magdala ng pagkain. I even bake. Kaninang madaling araw, nagluto na si Mami ng pineapple pie. So hopefully guys, masarap siya. Hindi ko pa na-slice siya but andoon na, ready na siya. But before that guys, let's go! Okie dokie. What a lovely orchids and what a price. I like this orange color. Common ito sa Filipinas and it's free. You can just ask your neighbor for this flower. But here it's expensive. Oh, it's not that bad, you know. And what else? I like these flowers. I might buy this. Wow, nice. Sa pineapple na ito, ginagawa nilang yung pang-indoor siya. And this flower, my mom used to plant this one. It's very easy na na mabuhay. Alam niyo na, 'di ba? Hindi naman siya pricey, affordable lang siya, $5,799. And this one too, I don't like this, but you know, it's beautiful. I like, if I'm bored, I like to come to Home Depot or Lowe's just to look at these flowers dahil wala ako eh. For your eyes only. Oh my gosh, yes. We're in the back now. Bibili tayo ng dirt para sa ating plantito sa bahay. Ayan siya, $7.98. It's not bad. Okay, let's go. Hindi tayo dito makapag-view. Baka magalit sila. I-video natin or what. Good morning everybody and welcome back sa ating vlog. Early this morning, guess what? Nag-bake ako ng pineapple pie. It is so yummy. Ayan. So good guys, so good. Dalhin ito natin mamayang hapon dahil may Workbees at church. I just got back from Lowe's and napunta din ako sa Target and Walmart and doon ako nakabili ng digital scale. Ito si scale guys. It's not only for food but I still can use this one in my kitchen. I have a digital scale but iba ang gusto ko yung flat lang siya. So nakabili ako guys. This is for my scrunchie business. Ayan, sa buko guys. Meron tayong scrunchie na 2 kinds. May polyester and meron tayong satin scrunchie. So ayan siya guys. Sa business ni Mami. So meron tayo ditong nag-testing din ako sa ating printer na nagana na ang ating printer. So malapit na malapit guys mag-open na tayo sa ating business. And before that, it's not my scrunchy business we're going to talk today, but ang business ni Mami ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa church para tulungan yung mga sisters natin to clean the church. So talking about business, it's not just scrunchy business ang gagawin ni Mami, but we are going to church ngayon in an hour or, well, meron pa tayong 1 and 30 minutes guys and we are going to church para tulungan silang maglinis. Maraming mga Workbees doon, not only just Workbees ang nandun guys, but the food bees will bring some food to feed the bees. O, diba? The working bees and the food bees. Wow. Can you believe that? So guys, it's time to prepare because I will bring ladder, my, what else do I need to prepare, huh? Map. Yeah, of course, we're going to bring a map and a Clorox. Of course, if you have map, you have to bring a bowl. Ayan siya guys, dali natin to help clean the kitchen. So ayan guys, bye-bye muna guys, and huwag kalimutan to subscribe my channel, okay? Bye! Well guys, napakasarap ng ating pineapple pie. Oh, I don't know how to cut this. So, umpisahan natin dito on the other side. This. It's like pizza, huh? Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gulay, this apple pie is so good looking. I'm so excited. I'm heading to church. Hopefully, a lot will come to help clean the church, you know. But I may just stay in the kitchen, arrange the kitchen, mop the floor. So that's a good help, diba? Okay. Stop talking, Jennifer. Drive safely. Yes, we are here in our church kitchen, guys. And these are my Workbees. Workbees. Hello. These are the Workbees of our church.
Workbees. After working, kainan na. After eating.
Ayan guys, Workbee. Dito, Workbee or eating bee? Eating bees. Guys. Well, thank you for coming, ladies. And boys.
And boys.
Hello. Hello.
Sa bahay namin, yung asawa ko naghuhugas ng pinggan.
Oh no! Sa church siya na tagahugas. O, listen guys.
Kahit tanungin mo yung asawa ko, siya naghuhugas sa bahay namin.
Oh, wow!
Oo. Siya naghuhugas.
Nako, super ganda
Siya
naman yan.
naghuhugas, siya nagluluto.
Ah, nako, para kang si Queen Bee.
Ay, si Queenie.
Ayan, si Queen Bee.
Queenie nga tawag sa akin ng anak ko, Queenie.
Swerte mo. Ako akin lahat.